Good morning, my YouTube family. I'm Tim with Outdoors for Adventure. If you've been watching our channel, you already know this, but I thought I'd introduce myself. And my wife is Ashley. She's not here right now, but she'll be joining me soon enough. Now, as most of you know, we sold the Nissan Titan that we used for our adventures. And we now have a 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. And since I've had it, I have done quite a bit of work getting it ready to go on our adventures. So I'm going to take you outside. I figured I'd go ahead and do a video about the Cherokee at home. That way I can come in and get this video uploaded to my computer and off of my phone storage, because we are fixing to go into the forest again. We're headed up to the Ouachita National Forest. But we're also going to go to the highest hill in Oklahoma, and we'll be sharing that with you. We are going to go to the Runesstone in Cavanal, Oklahoma. And we're also going to take the Poteau Mountain Rustic Tour. So, got quite a bit to share with you. We're going to be camping, and we're going to be out for all weekend, leaving Friday morning. And going to have a lot to share with all of y'all. So for now, let's just go take a look at the Jeep, and I'll explain some of the stuff that I have done. Okay guys, this is the Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Have to excuse the mess in my yard. I've been working on this. And you can see I added the rack and the lights. Now, all of that up there, the rack, the lights, and the crossbars are from Harbor Freight. And the rack is rated for 150 pounds. The bars are rated for 150 pounds. The Cherokee rails are rated for 150 pounds. The roof is rated for 150 pounds. I'm under 150 pounds. I weighed everything on the scale to make sure that all that was, underweight. And that includes the rack and the way the crossbars and the lights. So we're good there. I do have it all tied down. It's not going nowhere. But that's our tent, our chairs, solar panels, cooking utensils, the stove, and some lights and some stuff like that. And that gets it out of inside, because inside I had to have room for Remington. We still have to put our clothes bag in there. Those are dry goods. Porta potty, and of course in the back is my refrigerator, and then a pillow, first aid kit, and my battery powered box with an inverter, and my solar system, another light. And in the sides I've got, over there is my solar shower tent, and then I've got my coffee stuff over in that corner. And I've got some water over in here in a bag. So, it's pretty packed. That's the biggest thing from going from a full-size truck to one of these, is you just don't have as much room. I've got my sleeping bag stuffed up under there. I've got camera gear in between the seats. I got Remington stuff here. So, I'm making it work. I knew I was going to be losing space when I did this. And of course, come on around back. You can see the rack up there. And of course, the spike rack that I transferred into just pretty much a carrier for 2 gallons of gas, a shovel. I got 2 track boards on there now. I took my other 2 off because I've got 3 cans of propane in this tube. And I wanted to take it, carry it outside of the vehicle. So I don't figure I'm gonna need 4 tracks this trip. I'm not planning on getting in a bunch of mud, just gravel roads. So 2 should be plenty, for a what if situation. and got the shovel where I can dig. And then I mounted this on there. It's in there good, and it's got 3 of the small propane bottles on it. So there's a propane bottle, and then I've got a foam collar that fits around it, another propane bottle, another foam collar, all the way up. And then when you screw the lid on, it's tight. It puts a little bit of pressure on those foam collars, and it tightens up to where those don't jump around or move at all. And there's also ventilation all throughout, so it's getting plenty of breathing room. If any gas escapes or anything out of there, it's going to come out of that tube. And I left it white. I know it's not real pretty. I should have took more time doing it, but I just threw it together real quick, and it's going to work. But I left it white so it kind of reflects some of the heat. So that's pretty much it for the beginning of this video. This is, how we're going to be traveling down the road, and I've got everything I need. So some trips we'll be making like this. Actually, all that stuff that's on that roof right now weighs more than my rooftop tent. Not by much, but I think my rooftop tent, I don't even remember, 118 or 130 pounds, somewhere in there. And I'm at 140 some pounds up there on that roof right now. So I'm still under, but I'm getting close to, what they say it's rated for. But this is our setup, and I've got the refrigerator loaded with steaks and good stuff to eat, and we're ready to go. So we'll be heading out Friday morning, and we'll have a lot to share with y'all. But this is the first part of us getting ready, and I know I didn't show y'all packing everything up, but I did go ahead and get everything packed and loaded, and we got plenty of room. And this vehicle is quite capable. It's going to be able to go more places than we'll probably be taking it. I'll put it that way. But we really are enjoying it. Liking the gas mileage. And that's something new. We'll see how much that stuff on the roof cuts down on our mileage. But I'm not thinking it's going to be too bad. So until later, guys. We'll see you on part 2.